Hello, Sharky. Where would you like to have this? Up on the bench? Do a little bow to each other. Up on the bench, come on. Up. Sharky. Good boy. You going to come over this side? You coming around? Good boy. Yeah, Sharky. You're alright, mate. Now, I've got to warn you, there's a push bike rider. Looks like he might be coming across the street, so don't get scared by him. Okay? Someone coming behind you. I can hear Mum and Dad up in the tree. How are you today, mate? You good? You're a good boy. You're alright, mate. It's okay. Just push bike. Alright, I'll leave him here. You can come back later.